Let's make traditional tomato saaru. Start with fresh tomatoes and green chili. Chop the tomatoes finely. Heat oil and add the tempering, curry leaves, mustard seeds, cumin, fenugreek seeds, and asafoetida. Add the chopped tomatoes with salt and mix well. Cover and let the tomatoes cook down. Add jaggery for sweetness and soak tamarind for tanginess. Add red chili powder, turmeric, and Saaru powder for that authentic Karnataka flavor. Cook briefly to blend the spices. Add water, salt, and cilantro. Let it simmer to develop the flavors. Finish with ghee for richness. Your comforting tomato saaru is ready to enjoy with hot rice. Please like, share, and subscribe to P. Bhatt's Kitchen. Take care.